Me recording. What? To me catch things?
Wait, he said we. Oh, that's my. Ay, that grandma going a fish.
Yay! Timothy catch fish.
Have you seen no grandma? Ay, look at face.
It's too rough. Catch things.
Wait, he said we. Oh, that's my. Ay, that grandma going a fish.
Yay! Timothy catch fish.
Have you seen no grandma? Ay, look at face.
I'm ready. I ain't listen.
Good Timmy. You clean up,
going
man.
up towards there again.
Yay! You clean up. You should have. I should walk with a plastic bag. You should tell me walk with a bag. I walk with a come. Hey, don't let them think. Get in, let me put it on your lap. Because them things will fall out. Hurry, I gotta go to the oven on.
You know you do something.
Hey, hold on your hand. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Sharice and you're here at the Severino Family Vlogs. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, so sit back, relax, and let's get right into it. And that's it, we're all done, fresh out of the oven. It smells so good, you guys. The smells and scents of the warm vanilla. We have nutmeg, cinnamon, the sweetness from the bananas. It was so good. We put it in the oven for 35 minutes at 350 degrees and they came out golden and moist and it's just perfect. Everybody is sitting around waiting for it. So we're gonna go sit back and enjoy our banana oat muffins. You guys, I don't have a recipe for you. Just watch the video and kind of eyeball it like I do. Anyway, they were delicious. We're gonna go ahead and enjoy right now. Continue to enjoy the rest of today's video, guys. I'll see you back again later. Okay, it is Monday, the 4th of June. It's about 6 o'clock. Power just went out again. And so we're kind of spread out all over the house. I'm laying in bed. The generator's going. Everybody else is on the front porch. And we're just waiting. It's supposed to be off for 2 hours. That means it's coming back on at 7 o'clock. I'm very annoyed. It is hot. It's about 87 degrees in the house. And I am just like beside myself, because I just wanted to come home today and just relax, enjoy a nice meal, and chill out watch a little TV, and then go to bed. I have an early day tomorrow. I have a dental appointment, so I'll take you guys with me along for that. And that is it. I don't know what else to say. I'm tired and I'm cranky and I'm hot. I want the power back on permanently. Anyway, I'll keep you guys posted on that. So I'll see you a little bit later. Ciao.
Yeah.
Mama, you want the mosquito sweater? I just put a battery in it.
You hear the dog? The dog jumped this up my head.
You want to eat it? Ross probably hungry. Stop moving the table. And don't move the table. Because I'm recording. For YouTube, I need content to post.
You do what? Let me put the drone up in there. How long me play that drone?
I'm going to need to charge by now.
To me, to put the thing back in the box any old way. I don't know how come Western generator sounded so weak today.
Maybe they put new muffler on it.
They act like they forget, let's remind them. Be my rider. All gas, no way they can never pace us.
Good morning, everyone. Or I should say morning, because it's not a good one. It's the next day. Today is Wednesday, and we still have no power. Our power has been rotating for a few hours now, over 12 hours now. Today is my dentist appointment, so I'm on a mad dash to get dressed and get everything done before the power goes out again at 8:30. But I just wanted to stop for a moment and show you guys the pretty flowers in our front yard. Look at how nice it is. How pretty that is. And that noise in the background is, of course, the generator from the resort. It was a very restless and sleepless night. We have generators going on all around us from different houses. The generator from the Westin Resort, our own generator, which is not very loud at all, but it's just a lot to deal with. Made it through to the morning. It's still early. It's about 6:30, 7 o'clock, I believe. So I'm going to go ahead and get ready before the power goes out again. And I will catch back up with you guys later. I'm going to be taking the ferry over to St. Thomas today for my dentist appointment. And I'll pick you guys up once again when we get over there. And after all of that, my appointment was canceled, so here I am going to work. So let's see what the day holds.
They say I ain't know gone.
Cash probably eat it.
Hey, me. He said I got good thing. Don't you remember the bone? Come. Hey, there's a lot of flesh on this Timmy.
No.
Look. Timmy, come on.
This ain't what you used to, I require more, better than we ever had before. Gon' be home, though I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bane making plays till we crashing, yeah.
They're ready to go. The game's
Drip the water from head to toe, little baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. That's for mine. Be mine. No way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas. Stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. On God, they could only try to keep up. I let it ride when I usually usually would've rolled out. I know you're grateful that I stayed.